Do you see your glass half full or half empty? How well do you know your self-truth? The way we see our life can have a huge impact on our overall happiness and well-being, and affect those around us, both physically and mentally. The question is, do you mainly focus on the positive or negative aspects of the situations you find yourself in? And how do you feel about that? If you tend to see the bright side of things, you're far more likely to weather life's storms and come out stronger on the other side. Plainly put, intentional living is about creating a life that's true to you. You decide what you want. It doesn't matter what your relatives want you to do, what society thinks of you, or what your friends believe you should do. What matters most is how you feel deep inside and what new pathway you choose to take. And that's it. Welcome to Helen Barton on YouTube, here to guide you on your pathway to uncover the true you and positively sparkle. Optimists are far more successful in their careers, have healthier relationships, and can expect to live longer than those with a negative outlook. Pessimism, on the other hand, can lead to depression, anxiety, and many other mental health blocks, stopping us from moving forwards. We're less likely to chance any risky steps to get where we truly want to be, or take the necessary action to investigate some incredible opportunities which can appear right up in front of us. The way it works is quite simple. First, we need to identify our personal core values, create a hierarchy of their importance to us, and then use that value system as an everyday guiding compass towards making our personal decisions, assessing opportunities, and improving our overall quality of life. Are you ready to challenge those negative thought patterns when they do occur, and start looking at things from a completely different perspective? Maybe you have a friend or family member who needs your help on this. This video is a reminder that when you're emotionally feeling down and facing yet another brick wall, you can choose to align with your core values, what's truly important to you, and start taking steps to change your situation. So here are a few suggestions. Firstly, you can start identifying any areas in your life which are causing stress or anxiety, any negative thought patterns about things, projects, people around you, or simply due to your own behavior. Perhaps there's a big decision to make and you need to choose your next action step. Understanding where you're out of alignment, what's missing, whether big or small, can be the key to getting your genuine smile back. Try hanging out with far more positive, upbeat people to help raise your spirits. Their confidence will help inspire and motivate you. And living in the now, the present moment, also prevents so much dwelling in the past or worrying about the future. When we focus on things that we're grateful for each day, no matter how small they may seem, it helps our mood and creativity also. And of course, knowing who you are, who you truly are, what your core values and personal strengths are, means that you have inner guidance as you move towards your unique life vision. Finally, don't forget that it's okay to treat yourself every now and then. Relaxation and self-care are essential for maintaining a healthy outlook on life. You can recharge your batteries with positive emotional energy to enable you to move forwards on your envisaged plan, to center on spreading happiness and fulfillment everywhere you can. Why not? When you get in the driving seat and take control of the steering wheel, you can decide which road to take. Choose whether to focus on the positive aspects of your life, switch on the lights and head towards a bright future, or stay under negative, dark thinking more often and end up going nowhere. It's your choice. Choose wisely and let me know how you get on. Yours in truth,